Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Scentsy Whiff Box for the month of January. And I'm excited for this. It's a surprise whatever comes in here, but it's a variety of like bars and their other products. So the little pamphlet says New Year, New You. How cute, it's a calendar. That's cool. There's always like some kind of activity or something useful on there. So it smells really good, whatever this is. Looks like, got some more cleaning products. This is Scentsy Fresh. So what is this? Last month I got a kitchen counter cleaner. It smells amazing. It works pretty well. Let me see what this is. Eliminate unpleasant odors with the squeeze of a trigger. So this is on fabrics. I think it says on hard to wash fabrics like carpet, furniture, upholstery, bedding, curtains. Oh, okay. And that's pretty huge too. Amazon Rain, that smells good. So that's 16 fluid ounces, has a little spray bottle, so that's awesome. Also have aloe, water, and cucumber body wash. Haven't had that scent, but that's a pretty good size of that, and I'm almost out of body wash, so that's perfect. Then to go with that, they gave us a little purple loofah. That's cute. And then my sample this month looks like the lid came off of it. That must be what I'm smelling. Strawberry Rose. It looks like the cups broke. Oh yeah, that smells really nice. Smells like a light strawberry. Perfect. Then I have a French lavender scent circle for your car. And then the bars I got are Fiddle Leaf Fig. Let's see what that smells like. Ooh, not so much. That might smell better. Oh, it'll probably smell better when it's burning. Interesting name too. And then this one is the scent of the month. Inhale, exhale. That is very sweet smelling. At first it smelled gross, but you gotta have to like smell it again. It's almost like a honeydew is kind of what that smells like to me. That smells pretty good. Again, sometimes they smell better when they're put on the warmer. And we got a couple little samples. We got a honey and chamomile pet shampoo. I don't have a dog, but I'm going to pass that along to someone. And then lemon verbena dish soap. Could definitely use that. Cool. I like the samples. I think that's like my favorite part. I wish you could just get like a box of all samples. I would even like maybe be okay not having like the bigger products as long as I had like little samples and bar samples, because that's more fun to me to get these so you can switch them out more often, because it takes me forever to use a whole bar, and then I don't know, sometimes you get tired of that scent, or especially like the seasonal ones. I'm not in the mood for seasonal ones, but that's what's in my warmer currently, so I'm gonna put that one in. That smells really good. So if you guys want to order anything, I don't know if my party link is still active through the consultant that I buy under, or if you guys are interested in getting one of these boxes for a subscription, I put all that in the description box below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.